What is up guys? So today I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk about YouTube signs exclusive streaming deal for Activision Esports. And Activision make games like Call of Duty and Overwatch, which is two popular games in the gaming community. But today I'm gonna talk about, is this the end of Twitch? Because Ninja left Twitch, Shout left Twitch, and now YouTube is buying exclusive streaming from Activision, which makes Overwatch and Call of Duty. And as you know, Overwatch is one of the biggest esports game to play competitively, and it's always streaming on Twitch. So this could mean the end of Twitch. But let's get right into the video guys. But before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share. Make sure you subscribe because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So let's talk about this topic for a second. So YouTube signs an exclusive deal for streaming all the Activision esports game. So think about it like this. Activision makes Call of Duty and also makes Overwatch. Overwatch is one of the biggest competitive game out there. There are people making millions of dollars off Overwatch tournaments. A lot of people watch these tournaments these days. And if you go on Twitch, I can sure that there's a lot of Overwatch streamers right now going on Twitch as I'm recording this video, and as you guys are watching this video. That's how much people play Overwatch on Twitch. So as you know, sometimes Twitch have some live streams that show on the front page, and sometimes tournaments are one of those stuff, and people sit and watch those tournaments for hours. So YouTube taking away this could mean more views for YouTube, more gamers to YouTube, and just makes YouTube grow even bigger, because now if you want to watch Overwatch tournament, the first place you're gonna have to go to get it live and direct and exclusive is YouTube. And once you go on YouTube, more than likely YouTube algorithm is gonna recommend more Overwatch to you. And as you know, YouTube is the biggest place to watch videos, even though Twitch is dominating them in the live stream video game category. But even those streamers on Twitch, they have pre-recorded clips on their YouTube channel. So whether they still stream on Twitch, they always have a YouTube channel that they upload their highlights and all those fancy stuff. So that goes to say how big YouTube is, and YouTube is probably getting, well, not probably, is getting more views than Twitch, but Twitch is dominating the gaming category, and that is what YouTube is trying to do for over the past couple of years. And I think this signing this deal is gonna bring a lot of views to YouTube, and I think Twitch is definitely gonna lose a lot of views now, especially since they lose Ninja, they lose Shout, and now they're losing exclusive streaming to Overwatch and Call of Duty tournaments. Don't get me wrong, there's still gonna be Overwatch streamers and Call of Duty streamers on Twitch. This may not work for YouTube as how they want it to work. Maybe everybody just stick to Twitch and still watch Twitch and only come over to YouTube to watch the tournaments. But as I said, I know YouTube works. The algorithm is gonna recommend more highlights and more Overwatch streamers to you while you're watching the esports tournament. So even if you don't click on it right away, when you come back to watch YouTube videos on your home screen, you're gonna see a lot of Overwatch recommending to you, and you're just gonna get trapped. And let's say you find this streamer that you really like, and you say, and you put up your chart and say, what are the advantage of going to Twitch and what are the disadvantage of staying at Twitch, and blah blah blah, and you're personally gonna compare it and say, hey, I can watch Overwatch streams on YouTube, I can watch highlights on YouTube, and I can also watch esports tournament on YouTube. So you yourself are gonna say you know what, I'm gonna stick to YouTube. And then the streamers themselves are gonna see that more views are on YouTube for the streaming industry, for the gaming streaming industry, and then they're gonna head on over to YouTube, and then this could be the end of Twitch. But Twitch still have a lot of views and a lot of top streamers, but Shout and Ninja was bringing in their main stream of views, and they lose those two streamers. I'm guessing Mixer paid them a bunch of money. I heard that Ninja got like $100 million from Mixer to Switch. I'm not sure if that's a rumor or not, but I'm pretty sure they got over $1 million to Switch, because they're not just switching, they are bringing their audience to Mixer. But as you know, not everybody's gonna go over to Mixer, because people have other streamers on Twitch that they like to switch to in between. So let's say Ninja get boring, somebody might jump over back to Summit. So as I talk about Summit is one of the top streamers that are still remaining on Twitch. And you have other streamers like Tim the Top Man, and you have Nikkei, who recently switched from YouTube to Twitch, and he also lose a lot of views. Normally Nikkei would be getting like 50,000 and 25,000 views while he's streaming on YouTube. Now he's getting like $7,000. Say, but not $7,000. I mean, money's on my mind, but 7,000 views. So you can see you definitely lose viewers when you're switching. But again, maybe Nikkei compared the money and realized that it's gonna be a win-win for him, so he went and made that deal. And if Twitch don't do something soon and very soon, I think personally Twitch is gonna eventually die, because instead of going from Twitch to YouTube, you just stick to YouTube, as I said, and watch all your highlights, because all those top streamers on YouTube, they all have a YouTube channel with millions of subscribers, and that's where they upload all their fancy highlights. And most of the time, those are the highlights are what that get viral and go on social media, and that's what people are more likely to watch, more than sit and watch a live stream for 7 hours, 4 hours, and all those stuff. So if Twitch doesn't make a move soon, I believe Twitch will die. And as you know, Amazon owns Twitch, so maybe, I mean, Amazon have the money. The guy who owns Amazon is the richest person in the world. I think he's beating Bill Gates. And as you know, Bill Gates owns Microsoft. But what I'm trying to say, Twitch might come to their senses and start to invest more, and they're just gonna invest more, and probably they will buy more streamers to come to Twitch. They may buy back Ninja, but I'm guessing more than likely Ninja might sign a contract, or maybe a 5 years or 1 year contract. I'm not sure if he even signed a contract. Maybe he has signed something to stay at Mixer no matter what. I'm not sure, but as I said, technology is advancing. You might never know, a new game might pop out and it is owned by Amazon and it's only on Twitch. You get what I'm saying? Anything can happen tomorrow, but this move that YouTube make, I think, is a pretty big move, and I'm looking forward to watch those tournaments on YouTube. I personally watch them. I don't normally go to Twitch and watch them, but since I'm on YouTube, I mean, why not check it out? Why not even give it a 10 minute of my day or so? I'll definitely click on one of these streams. And as I said, Activision don't make some games that people don't know about. People definitely know about. You have Call of Duty, and they make Overwatch, and they make other games that are popular in different countries. But Overwatch and Call of Duty is two of the popularest game in the world right now. Especially Overwatch is very competitive. You have people making strategies. I think they are giving out scholarships and so for esports players now. So that's definitely something to look for as a career these days. And I'm pretty sure that this will be in the Olympic pretty soon. But until then, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. If you reach this far, you definitely like my videos, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, and share with a friend. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.